Clement Owusu Fodwo me cheche mu nyina aha ana bede koto wo se be ye wo be ya ye me ya na ye nipa yi momye ni ho abobo is it good so wo ye wo ba and wasi so na no matter how a man came by one children are gifts from God. Children menka Aisha mudi asem wa ha mesra mo mesi Monaguchi enye Shatawala asem na meka no ha. Don't divert my attention to Shatawale and events Aisha. I am talking about Monaguchi of Kantanka TV. In the one some na metia America no. Monaguchi of Kantanka TV. Mo kwa tage no nomra. Onim nyansa wanyini channel but onim nyansa. Mona onim nyansa wonim nyansa nka video ya be ya na nabika emenye 225 mon share ya mo ma memonyo se mon share me bonyum kakra agata ba send me link on WhatsApp why and I mean share mam em check me or the aba Messi, I'm talking about Monaguchi. Someone share video no Emma in Dubai 400 or bet to America word. Emma Sodiako way a hit program was a member, not a hitter. Me pressure must some share me uncle. And I'm live on Akobon's TV. Akobon's TV, big up yourself. I if a trending issue ni and some dear. Emma said we Akobon's TV free one ma wunya bi wo baby and heavy. Me baso na me bi nkura na Akobon timi bom repeat kire nsem ni mu yie e ma wo nsem na se ai me jen wo e WhatsApp e mesra no 238 mo sha mi anko me kire ai Monaguchi say Mona, you are not a celebrity. Mona, you are not a celebrity. You are not. If in case you don't know her, who made you a celebrity? Do you understand a word called a star? Huh? Monaguchi. Do you understand a word called a star? On the star say, and can what's up now wedding and Kauni. Come on. In this aba. Mon share me share na 220. Any mummy upon Nana Jima LNA upon sa me share ya munyina. Sa fe no aba share the video na yanko yanim. Pamachawa with due respect and for funny abrofo with due respect safen wa join ya me share wa me be WhatsApp wo so obetimi atia so na che se ye kwayanim me ya share wi aka me last one wa ha nti se mo ntimi nhye nko manima na cheze minya kasa mesi Monaguchi o mona yeah na Aisha asem lady emi onni shata wala asem no minya ntie mu oti minya nkaka bi mi bi ti asem mu wi azan makasa enyeze mi hu za wo mu kwa na maso de agina fifi minya mfa ma adwen kra nko baba ma cha sa fe nu adwen ni me a me si midia ni oba ti wa fe power house se wa ba me pamacha Dr. Pame Boni me chiacha mu nyina Ibrahim Asamoah me chia mu nyina me pamacha so afa nu aba share video no na invite your friends why like I tell you say obeti wa ba akopɛ magi makonwa say sa platform is uhun be wo so dia na kyese me be kama dwen no ba se eba adwenkyerɛ ne dia adwenkyerɛ ne ade dia be ye no wo obati wa multimedia ye kan sem bebre wo ho enye one program na course was our platform ne so me say me build this up platform no so pesa wo kyerɛ wadwen a ɛhɔ na me man nkɔfoɔ kyerɛ wo madwen fa na ɛba sɛ me be faye obi dia ɛne ɛno ane ya ati wa yi so aha ɛna me dia ato ase nso ama wo ye mistake a ubedi block simple because ewiase no bibia koka papa endi grade so wo se bibia koka papa pena edwiriba mesem emo obi anfrɛ me at this time I'm very busy and mo be ma me brofo na ba mesrɛ mo me pa ma kyɛw brofo no so no enhye da no so wo mitrim saa ɛyɛ amedwen ho na maka enti na mimi program so na mo na edi obi atem no enti mani abre pa mama mani amra o pam me fans mempene me fan ewe kura omu ade ana me so aya bibi me say me program na eno anadwo no Jaymen say say the program na eno anadwo me ye no me say me ye program for Zandi Camel ho na me say I was talking about Emma in general Emma wo mu wa na wo mu de wo mu MSC ana comment bi beto wo no mo say Munaguchi wo mafo or the woman see na or portray one set ne ba no me say enipa no tro ya no say ya nukro enya nukro sa video ekura na me say up to now it's just 2,000 views because it's a new platform me pay them and na obi screenshot to enipa no comment and na enipa no de comment Munaguchi na me say mona ete ye no mona ti asem no momientie response a eba ye na so momientie Munaguchi response a enemetie ya emani abre okay here na dia na diwa listen bitch listen to me very carefully meba mama men connect bluetooth no na embra loud and clear me ya ma dia me tutira no ma kyerɛ ase pepesa me kyerɛ mona sɛ mona o programs na wo ye na ye krofo ho nsam e na wo de te ho social media no ye hwɛ dia be trend ne aka ho asam enya me nkwa me platform so e obia platform so baabia TV station entina obi ti me kwatwe Rollins ba obi a wase oye Rollins ba edi ne bagina so edi ne ba che fans na ma obi ehun sese Rollins wo ba baby e friend Abigail are connected all right
Your profile, I can see that you have sent me friend requests and I have not responded until now because I have too many fucking people sending me friend requests. Listen, bitch. Listen to me very carefully, Priscilla Jacob. Me, I don't give a fuck about whoever talks about me or whoever doesn't talk about me. I'm a crazy bitch. And if I want to start with you, I swear to God, I'm going to go through heaven and earth under the sea, in the air, in the third heavens because of you. Because I don't really give a fuck about what people say about me. Are you my friend? Do I know you from Adam? Mention my name one more time, and I will let them bring you from London to Ghana here to face me. Are you my friend? Why'd you fucking talk about me? Do I come to you to ask you for money? To feed myself or to pay my bills? Are you crazy or something? Go
you call this one celebrities.
I'll do to you.
What celebrities are now? Do you call this one celebrities? Attacking people's followers. Just like that. Anyone higher than?
But I'm now going to research about you and know what.
Anyone you are kind of I am many work I mean kasa. I am no crazy one. Confront the people why does it matter kwanda koka some e wo mafo. Woni mafo a. Kwani to me. Why must you inbox this lady and insult her blue black? Meanwhile, you have 4 children. Yeah, Odem says here to my own finance. And my young underground from Kantanga TV, my young woman, my bisa wants some people close to you. My bisa person who said, do you have 4 kids or not? Why are you people lying to yourself? ENKB MHL. Huh? Why are you lying to yourself, Munaguchi? Hey, never ever attack my fans again. Never. That's my profile. Ya can't go for some. Hey, what the tornado? What's now honor? Emma no car, Pamela, and one some. Emma never thought one thing. What? Who can a flesh was like and want some? And a better one thing. And for one what kind of what the I am popular. Now, dear Kumi Franza was Obe Kume fan. Ube Kuno. Munaguchi, if you want to kill anybody, I kill a flesh was nigger. Many family they will carry today. One carry was over. Now, among Yadi and Palestiana, I want to ask Ghanaians. Yadi and Messier, a baton at the emperor, was about having children. Children are precious things that ever happened to in a human history. Having babies. People are struggling to have a baby. They are struggling doing all kind of tests, all kind of things to just to have a baby. Now the onyamyama o four. O the miensensie e de baako kire se obanie. Is it right? That is wrong. Na ni baako na betra. When you get wom, one ka bibia wom. Muna, sanka o kan wanu to me anka it will save you from this video I'm doing now. Chesa wona o wa no kwe woni me. Who are you? 6 feet. Munaguchi, who are you? Who ya wine? Munaguchi, or ya wine? Is it a dog's name? Dog. Is it a dog's name or a human name? Munaguchi. Bibi any man go or that the queen account say, me woof some audios are nasty. Some new, yeah, wouldn't me?
If you want to put your nose into my fucking business, bitch, you are gonna have it so hard with me. I'm not gonna do social media beef with you because you are no fucking body. You are a no fucking body, and I don't know how much your payslip is. The fuck is that you can never be a match to me. Don't fucking mention my name anywhere. Don't fucking mention my name anywhere. I'm just setting up my people in London to look for you for me because I don't know who the fuck you are. What's right? What fucking right you have to go write my name or mention? Are you my friend? Are you my family member? Where's me, Anna? Why can't you, man? Wasia, only no woman did over the Abduma. I was so much so money in I could have some more money over 2 years. I don't know if
2021 yebehu presenters host that wa musuma wa mu ligi enipa dia ko sayem wa di enipa ko aduro so Monaguchi say what the Prince like the kumbe ko aduro so akokuno. That's what e America ni audio to the wom was you obeku ke Prince like the kum and so no our cruise UK has a year. They will search for Prince like the kum and they will deport Priscilla to Ghana. Not or not dealing with Prince like the kum. Hey, Mona, you talk, you brag, Okasa, who feel big, Minaguchi feel big, and now I feel was nigga. I go be a anymore, Muna, and I who are you? And yes, Safna Tietiano, and yes, was nigga after Tietia. Obia, one in the back, Naka Munaguchi to the one a man platform yet. And Topa, who as yes was nigga, one Muna Cocoya, and Amma, she thinks that she's a celebrity.
But I'm now going to risk setting up my people in London to look for you for me because I don't know who the fuck you are. What's right? What fucking right? You have to go write my name on message. Are you my friend? Are you my family member?
Just what you would do.
What's here now? What's here now? What's here? Only know who me deal over the Abduma. I was so much so money in I could jump this with some more money now. But see about this old Jimmy for that.
Monaguchi. Some wouldn't not a who put a plate in Libya, another would you be. But now can't tank a TV, so I was to the Pacro. I was to any Pacro. Emma any Pacro, and be another one of the father. While put my wild summon, and won't Konya na, what is one, and will be. No. Because where your media failed, if you don't have text scanner, don't get yourself involved on social media or media. You say Kantaka TV, who we are yet the Koto YouTube. One thing Ghana TV like you, they show it on Facebook Live and they put it on YouTube and make money. Now Kantaka was saying you tell, Sika saying you tell Munaguchi. Yeah, you dare sit there and talk one just one just to insult people. How dare you? Sister, watch your tongue. And send you on man, okay, it will bounce back to you. I'm a country. Social media for now. Moon tie. And look at the young buffo na me match camera no. Moon kwasia for social media for now. Hey, Monaguchi wadye. Wadye won. Just what when you can tan anka TV so te. Anyasa. Chef, what when I can tank a TV so you feel big to talk trash. More mugu social media. How dare you talk trash? Kasa kran. What do you mean kasa? If you was nega now, na wo mo bokla keke. Emma me bebe contact say Mr. and kasa why? Because meaning say you can't voice out properly. Hit never no timi nyina no abanyampa efia was nigga di whatever di wo maame edi wo ma edi wo kushafo nyina atem you couldn't do anything why timi anku efia was nigga but obi comment eketu abi nedi obeku di bakora na to akino won cheze on no na emere on no na aboa enya sa presenters na mukuku nipa no ba akona because what ubeku na to atene Munaguchi uku nipa kabamone wa mo na wo ba wu na ya hu de ku wo mo no Munaguchi mo sa no na ku wo mo to twene just to be popular meboa Munaguchi wo ka wan ani mo wan sa na dwarf no effort wa as na dwarf na o siga na won eye afia Schwarzenegger yeah when your followers all who dey won fanye afia Schwa wono emom ana eye ne fault Sandra Japan say mommy anto azu
Money she grandpa want me signing on no. Now my Zuckerberg or demanding some sort of certificate and son, you're signing with Abba. And some quasi to someone like you will not be on social media.
And quasi to someone. Just a mena me program na obiara kasa na program na udi ni mu no. What insult to me afra your commenting me boa. What is you insulted me? Another one to keep. Nanada what is saying. Another one to keep. Munaguchi. Mona. Sapon Nana Emmanuel was saying, what has Efia got to do with this? Efia Schwarzenegger was the one that gave this idiot platform. Ghana one and then you know, yenya ni ebu social media so. Another nyema wo media field no. We don't know any Munaguchi. What about that? We don't recognize her. But the moment only Efia na kesa obi na no Efia Schwarzenegger anka na no antu wa hunu nyansa say owo followers owo platform na ofi no she thinks she's a celebrity. This lady thinks she's a celebrity. How can a celebrity talk like that? And penny for my part. Celebrities are kesiye. When we talk about them, they don't say anything. Now two by four celebrity one. So you think you can insult everybody just like that? You must be joking. Not on social media, never. We won't take that from you. We are not fools and we are not stupid. We know what we are doing on social media. Each platform on social media, they know what they want and they know what they are doing on social media. Just like you sit on Kantaka TV to look for a film. Who himself said, Tornado Betnazo now, Zoka, Pamela, once a month, you get views. Meboa. Yes. Who himself, or Betnazo, or Betnazo, Miss Betnazo. And that's what Efia Schwarzenegger once a man. Obeche crowd. Meboa. It's about talking about people. Talking about celebrities. Beef BSC. You will get in and talk about it. To get your followers from there. To get people to know your page. Know what you are on about. But for you to go extra mile. Pick up your phone. And insult a commenter to a point that the person that watching the program, no, you have the guts to insult me as well, just like that. Some more good social more. The word mono, who part you saying or saying, Millet is saying. The word more. I don't get it. For me and to
Why do I know you? Are you my family member? You know me from Adam. What do you want? What did you do about the baby? Let's someone who's from here. Who bet
the Ghana, US, even now, are you my family member? You ready? Some Ghanaians and trust some. Hey, Mina, press like a kumhufi. Hello, are you okay? Do you know Presla Ajekum properly? And Yamianim Nukreni. Do you know Presla Ajekum? Another, you are talking out of hatred. Another, you wake up from the wrong side of your bed. Hello? Presla Ajekum. Nana, who to say when Muna? Yeah? Nansenya woni afiasu asna ganya ya. You came on video without a makeup young wedding portals. A year died a makeup me ade. Dye makeup. Some insult we don't say things like that. You went too far.
Foolish girl like you. What ugly bitch? Nonsense. Shut the fuck up and stay with your marriage. Samaria Ayamawa, and don't give people license to disrespect you or your husband. And yes, someone who someone can't know, but he only
open up account. Open up account. Say yeah, send come Beneko Muganto Quay. Or the Nigerian na starting to come. And a mamma a bashing the family. Now, Cobana, no one yammy. But was it Nagira say, and a mamma didn't the info a make him a family. Uncle Bana, one yammy you. Nanko Bana yammy, and was anchor made the red light as a bum. But Berman or Berton again shame when we again ya winning and make us say one can make Kunasam was it Ukunu Nakasama could come back at Ukunumpono. What in Yazaba?
Shut the fuck up and stay in your marriage because I will hear out. Don't come and find problems for the man because who knows you're no.
Hey, what's what about you? Mona no was cat at Yari and what a can't TV. And yes, if who was the cat? Yadi Toya. So who was the cat? Yadi to toy a Yaria, Toma woman, no, and mammy no miano. Toya, a fierce was nigger. Because we're going was a bad what you are temper. So when you are winning me, that word winning me, the grand Diana, a young machine, any power by we all have limited years to live on this earth. You utter a word like winning me. Who are you? You are men water. We are cocobining son. Enipa. So do you know me? Who the fuck are you?
You know the baby growing wow. Who could have so frustrated? Start the fuck in your marriage and mind your fucking business. Don't fucking mention my name anywhere. Nonsense. Stupid problem for the man. Because who knows you're on that trauma or no? You're on that trauma or not? You do the first and you know the baby growing wow. Who could have so frustrated? Start the fuck in your marriage.
If you not was a Munaguchi, not a way program. Not a war boat or being when the program is what? Yabato Yama Munaguchi. Munaguchi. Se wouldn't not a few never who be a new program so. Say your wine. ye enipa kro ni wodi baba na tina o program so na wan interview enipa kro na ma na eba kro na ka wonu na bra bo masem na obi ni obi beef wodi baba na tina so wodi be che fans ne de Munaguchi ya ntwe mawo and your program no ye be rare me down. I bet you near as a ubet in Kantan TV if one never ever do that stupid thing again. You are very stupid and idiots. You calling someone bitch. Where we asshole? What we asshole? What do you mean answer? One minute I got what you yes it. Yeah, fucking bitch. And yet, Ghana, a cut off one or bro for one. No, Chazo, we are American. If you have a snake, I didn't bring abonting here. It is America, I'm not to watch lecture and the day you cross up.
And mind your fucking business. Don't fucking mention my name anywhere. Nonsense. Stupid girl. A bitch like you coming to talk about me.
Then stop portraying as a celebrity. Stop portraying yourself as a celebrity, Munaguchi. Stop calling yourself a presenter. Stop it. If you don't want people to talk about you, gather from social media, gather from the TV platform. Because those type of work, we talk about them. If you don't have balls, you can't do that type of concern. May I say, Mona, please, if you can buy sickness for someone, then please, you must provide us corona cure since you have the power. And okay, Ghana na yari atiesi wonum na yehu de yenye no se oman ne kofatika woyen fa na e dia befa enuyi bi dia brega na fo se ye kwahen fa what one say wo beto yari am obi nyankopon beto yari am first nyankopon wonu enya bo nipa ebo wiase ni emu nyama nyina wonu na wiase wono onyankopon obedi ka se wo to yari man kwofo secretly now it's open. So Munaguchi to yari man kwofo secretly now she made it open. At that one thing on one echo Emeka na jese okono popo akoye ni nro akosum na bosum no to yari man presenters radio presenters ni host for ya wo mu gidi me say se wonim nipa kuma afia Schwarzenegger adel kokunu me ehwe kokuno soria nam na Instagram e go for Facebook inbox now you are uttering trash nonsense from your stinking stupid mouth. Wama me buafu pa. Next time this should be your first and last. Ya obe hu se menu obeti wa Vim Powerhouse my video na obi a comment ya boldin na what involves in the insulting the person. Don't do that. Fans no one say my baby defense be attempt apart from a nipa ba come pamo benedi na me pamo this for me a profile so no me pamo no say get out of my profile. That's how it should be. If you don't want someone close to you on your profile, no password. No pamo no unko. Bonidi asimasi get out from my profile. But say obey you ko extend and na meto yari ama and na wunim me. Hey sister, me say onko toilet on. Onko toilet e sa ho. Nadia Kumi Kwanza was a lady. Media, me a lady. I won't deal with you on social media. I'm not coming on social media to do anything with you. A lady. Priscilla Jekum is more lady than you. And I will show you why a Priscilla Jekum, a lady, important than you. Well, she's well educated. And the minimum say oko school. She's a nurse in this country. And kwada, kwada. Who say Priscilla Jekum edna baby ni obi yida. Binu mi enu dia monagochi kada bodafo. Wonya gentle na obeti wa menya gentle. Bi anche na woni afia Schwarzenegger. Anche na woni afia Schwarzenegger. Mututu ma mu o. Ewuraba nya same obeti wa emenya ewuraba. Etiti me boot for boot na menu abaye na pemba bia atna. And if you feel big, say we ewuraba, you shouldn't have inboxed her with this nonsense. Knowing fully well that Priscilla Jekum will not come out herself and do these things. I'm okay. Just a minute, yes, yeah. Audio academy.
See my name one more time. Your social media platform. Are you my friend? Do I know you from Adam? Do I know you from Adam? Minimum free baby Anna. I'm not going to say that. Me, I don't fool. You are a fool. Go back again. Just go back again. Now, why you never call it? I'm not see. I'm not going to go to them. I'm going to go to them.
Mama can't do no popo, and no popo. Yes, no popo, and no popo. No. Only my way on. Who can confirm with them? Nasa Obika with Yabia was it? Meto a drama. Made my boss my messon. Any Minkonia Meteswa, Massa, and yet Napom. And you know, won't come and woman in the answer. And you know, won't come and woman in the answer. So, what would you be para? And you want no assem. So, will be a one no assem. Another or who assem. And to one more quite a baby and not won't come and woman in the answer. Never. Because in Konya, one more chance to be a summer son or won't be obedient or my. If in case you don't know her. And for your trusty dear, some year, who quite his fear. One more trusty dear, some not you for money at Yamano, sanity. They will consider first, oh, ma, and answer winning ma. Hey, Monaguti, a batsnadio, a back a snaddy. Family video to one. That she be able to obey to a because a back a snaddy. A back and bear I will copy them let you be quiet. Mamma can't you know? What do you mess ye? Because of obeyment. What the permanent? What the woman is ye? What will find a bonnet? Obey to I'm not scared to say my 4. Me can call us 4 and 9. Anybody want to obey ye? Your children are your children. They are part of you. They are part of your life. Bema pewa or pewuma, you love me, you love my dogs. Sana buoni kano. If you love me, you love my dogs. Or bema bi ope obi apewuma. And it's a wo you oba. And that's a wo ma. That's a wo the wo messia. And who said there is something wrong with your goddamn head. With this your coconut head baby how? You need a psychiatric hospital. No sensible, wise woman will hide his or her children. No wise woman or bar will name answer. Hey, na bema na wo be abedi wono. Spare me e ko mu a enya ba ne be for me. Eba krona and what the sense that you wanya dada no. What do you want to see? Na ebi do want to go class. Na ebi do want to go see baby. Na je dia hide bema. Hey, being a my problem, especially Ghanaians. Yes, I don't know about Nigerians, but maybe come before Ghana from you. Hey, you education, Nankasa, especially Munaguchi. Free.
My friend, are you my friend? Who didn't go see us near Sioka? Who didn't go see us near Sioka? What's more?
Who didn't go at near Sioka? Ah, just a Usian Crawford. And yet the last person and would Western will be asking on once you will be a with that. Muna, from today, about you are men that be a man, you are powerless. Become nine. You are powerless. Why do you need to be him? Oh, what ye? Me say, me, ha, me say, your family yatiwa, and me fear be part of yatiwa. Social media from about to a very powerhouse. Me say, me be a man. Ah, me the way you do your things, you are powerless. What do you mean could be a BM on social media field? Never. You are powerless. What do you not shit? Mona munrosua. Body and Roya Nyama. Ama mid Ghana media field. I say no. Hey, presenters and one two say ya. Presenters, musicians, actors, actresses. One two say ya. Cha. Are Nah, you came and what me are you bold? I heard you openly telling we Ghanaians. Now names the audio no. We had it see abonten and your private video. So names are. We had it see abonten is not private anymore. Next time, change. If you want to be a journalist, screenshot and any screenshot biana Jesus so and yet you be able to any etio there be nanka China bibi nsi na ye ka oh we die mo na afro no nti no mo aba abonten enipa no wunim ni da wunim no anas onim ba wunim no when you become a celebrity people start to look for things about you. They want to know you more. They will go extra mile, enough length to know Munaguchi. Now say if I want to find out, is that oh a man maya. And you know be one person you be say oh 4 children no be no first just no. Muna what one musa who can go 50 years meboa Munaguchi who go 50 years who your grandma na dey oh one kwala afọ ana ayede ah Muna oh one kwala afọ a eken ehun anase pai ene bi ma obi ani abre wa nwusu aka wu dwa ni pasum. Madam, this will be your first and last on my show. So one was some Miami show. Now say, when you cross take screenshot to the brow. Men can say I won't be to take screenshot. Anyone can take their screenshot and do whatever they want to do. But when you are talking, you mind your words. Know how to talk outside and inside. Yes. Mukazo Mona Saron Mani ni makeup on na ni ade mo mani ni makeup on na wo hwe na nia se bochemonka kazo za makeup adaru mo edisi bi nkrofo nti na me pay makeup no me pese mo mafuno akese ya ade na odimi di obi atam sa e obi enipa kwa ne nya obo wudi a o pese ye bo wudi enti na wode ohun aba join ne media no one person ye bo wudi a get out from Kantanka TV says Obatiwa the Vim Powerhouse maka se wote wo ye oba asame na se oba ba ye noko hey mayibo then bra pie bra baba abato me wo ba wo se tan o we se tan pu ara se tan pa pie bra pie ebe kan kwasasem se mugu social mugu woni mu penifo egu social media izo woni mu penifo egu social media izo journalists, lawyers, doctors, nurses, good qualification people with good backgrounds, millionaires. Yeah, mugu social media as well. You get mugu social media. No, unim nyansa. What was ya baby? And then the maximum be beti watempa. Unim nyansa one. Any of us and last. What the video ya about one thing. Mamen chew se waka ho asem abonten obete mamen chew se wa bie wanum reply this video with audio or anything obehunu wiase se Kantanka won so obenya e wat na bie mu a enye behe ma ga tiro me se bidian Obatiwa Vim Powerhouse shut Wale, big up yourself. You have done a massive job. Me say ups and downs. You encounter all these things, but media Obatiwa I think Emeka to say sister no oyoba just forget about her. Any kwasa one obaby you are abontin say be pa chawa shata muncha sa side we say fama shata wale mame say me say media ekamen ko eni kwasa oni oba ni yi e wa abontin unforget it now he should let it go oba yo oba be maye be ma enye sa afa na shata wale wo be si wanu abedi oba na tem wadi watama hu se oyo mame unia ba ena edi watem let her go and continue your songs. We love both Shatawale, we love Stonebwoy, we love all the dance for artists. No matter ebebembiano, edobi abekebiano. Me say enyom de oboto wona da e was a play na obi atibi na kese hold it no aduma Agataba TV Akubans TV me church am nyina me say hey me ye ana empassion komo ene agenkyere ewo Obatiwa multimedia join me there mona we ye mama warning me mato warning at all what the video we up and reply now we enwudi enye osusoso a wo rebe ho Kantanka ho dia ma won tena ho enti ye careful zuwa konya baabia na te didi kakra ko no tum na tra wo didi na ja jimi no na ho nya fe ja jimi na buom na wo ate Obatiwa emakasa vim yayi emizu hia me a pa me epoche na maje oso Helen yayira pali me hia mu nyina emete onkache. I hope you and the family are doing well. Nana Safo Bejaben, me hia mu nyina me hia obi biara me fans Kumasi Van Dam, Kali Van Dam, Oluma Jamaica. Just guru simple nyina ashade na se afia papa bi boaten mechia mu nyina obi biara onya time ba so wa wo share ye wa no antimi anhye mechia chia mu nyina medamase mo ma ba